Sira guys, so palitan natin itong bago guys. Ito yung issue. Yung bago guys, magkakabit na kami guys. Ano siya guys, sapasok na namin guys. Ayan guys, so nagtuyok-tuyok na siya guys. Ayan guys, napas na guys. Okay. Ayan guys. Okay na guys. Nakabit na namin yung power divider guys. Ako mekaniko guys, so gwapuhe guys. With tabako pa guys. Ya di na mo helper guys, so gwapuhe oh. May mga bungot. Yan guys, so okay na guys. Yan guys. Okay na guys. Okay. Yan guys, nakabit na guys. Ala, galawin mo guys. Kung okay ba ya? Oh, yan guys, so nakabit na pala guys. Shout out guys. Kan Gaga guys, amigo ni Loloy. Guys, kinabit na nila guys. Dasot ka sa bearing plans, itong plans. Okay na guys.